Hey guys, my Josh and welcome back to another video. So this video I will be teaching you how to turn on keep inventory and still have achievements active. This is a fairly simple idea. I'd like to thank MZ Anarchy for the suggestion. The comment will be on the screen now. Anyways, the first thing you need to do is obviously create the world, or if you already have an existing world, then this makes it even easier. I'm just create a brand new world here because it's just for demonstration purposes. As you can see, activate cheats are off and keep inventory is off. I'm now going to create the world. And you'll see, I'm just going to kill the sheep just so I've got stuff in my inventory. I'm now going to leave and I'm now going to switch it over to normal laptop screen. The first thing you need to do is open Universal Minecraft Editor, and that's something I've shown in this channel many times before. You select your platform, in this case it's Windows 10, select your world, you go over to world settings, you go scroll down, find a section that says keep inventory, and all you do is you change that 0 to a 1, as you can see here. And remember to save it. If you do not save it, it is not going to apply to your world. And also make sure that your Minecraft world is closed. It's closed when you do this, because if you have it running, it's going to mess up the whole world. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I've done it once and the add-on started glitching out. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm just open the world settings. As you can see, cheats still off, but keep inventory is on, and at the top it does not say achievements cannot be earned, like it would any other world if you activated cheats. Look, see, this is the title, nothing there. So I'm going to go into the worlds. Just to prove to you that keep inventory is on and that it is working. As you can see, look, I'm just going to go in this river thing and drown myself. So yeah, I've sped this obviously so it saves time. Look, keep inventory works, still got a wooden button, and see here, it doesn't say achievements can't be earned. But anyway, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, please subscribe, please share it with family and friends, and see you